Hello everyone and welcome to EduTap. So guys, in this series we are starting a new uh, comprehension, new understanding of Himachal Pradesh prelims for the year 2021 and 2022, and we are going to start with the analysis of PYQs, previous year questions, and this is for English language, guys. So guys, you very well know that it takes a lot of time to comprehend the language, and it takes a lot of time to prepare for this exam, because English is there in your prelims as well as there is a designated paper for English in your mains as well. So we'll come to the mains part later on, but in this session we'll be discussing about the prelims part that is given to you in the CSET section. Usually there used to be 30 questions out of 100 questions in your prelims exam, your aptitude exam for English, but in the year 2020 there were only 20 questions on English, and there were 5 questions on, you can say, management. So I'll show you the questions, and I'll show you the level of difficulty of questions that have been that has been thrown at the aspirants. So let's start with the session, guys. And before we begin, I would like to inform you about the most affordable Himachal Pradesh Administrative Services prelims course as well as test series. So guys, there is a test series for only 3000, that is 2999, which includes 18 tests of 100 questions each, and you can avail 30% discount by using the code Himachal Pradesh Himachal 30, and this sale is valid only till tomorrow, that is 22nd of December, guys. And then there is a comprehensive course. The batch has begun on 16th of December, and the price is kept at 25,000, and you can avail 30% off using the same code Himachal 30. And there is a CSET course which is designatedly prepared for only CSET section, which includes quants, reasoning and English, and the price has been capped at 6,000 rupees, and you can again avail 30% off for this, and the coupon code is Himachal 13 capital, and the sale is valid only till 22nd of December, guys. So hurry up. And if you want the PDF of this session, you can join our Telegram channel, the link for which has been given in the description of the video, and do subscribe to our channel so you do not miss out on any important videos. So I would like to show you the CSAT paper that was thrown at the aspirants in the year 2021. Now, these questions, these 4 or 5 questions that were based on your management part. So I'll show you the level of questions. Communication is a part of which skill? Now, your options were soft skill, hard skill, short skill, or good skill. The answer was soft skills. Now, you need to apply for leave. Which method of communication will you use? Poster, blog, newsletter, or email? I think the correct answer here was email. Now, what does an upright body posture conveys? Pride, professionalism, confidence, or humility? It displays confidence. Now, which communication involves treating people like objects? Impersonal, interpersonal, humane, or objective? The answer was impersonal, not objective. So that they were the questions based on your management. Now coming to the English part. Now first there were 2 comprehension passages, small passages which were given in both the languages, English as well as Hindi. Now you could have read it in both the languages, but the passage was not difficult to understand. The options were quite tricky, guys. So it was about the pesticide formulation units in India and how they operate and what they require and how to improve the losses, right? How to alleviate the losses of these units. So that was the passage, and there were certain questions which were quite tricky. Now the choices were given to you. If the inference is definitely true, choose one. If the inference is probably true, though not definitely true, choose B. If you think that inference is probably false, choose C. Or if you think the inference is definitely false, choose D. And look at the level of questions, guys. Poor housekeeping is not reflected due to maximum losses. So these were the questions. You can get the PDF of this session on our Telegram channel, guys. Now again, this is the second passage. It was about people fighting for rights and in Nigeria. So this was a passage taken from that article. And then again, there were very tricky questions, but the passage was easy to comprehend. So that was these were the questions that were basically based on your reading comprehension passage. So you can say 10 questions for reading comprehension were given in the paper of 2021. Now moving to the grammatical part. Now these next 10 questions are based on your grammatical and vocabulary part. So the questions were: scarcely did Mohan step on the ladder. The correct answer was when it broke, because hardly, barely, scarcely they are paired with when. Mendy Kent is one is who is over scrupulous. So that is called mendicant. Jaya is not well acquainted. Acquainted is always paired with. So correct option was B. Now gesticulate was to think about a topic, or neutralize fast, making aggressive gestures, to abandon or forsake. Gesticulate is to think about a topic seriously. Now next question was: I don't know who I can trust, whom I can trust, how I can trust, to whom I can trust. So correct option was option number B. Aisha's work is superior. Now guys, than her brother, although he is senior. So superior and senior, these are both IOR ending words. So correct option was not A, it was C. So Aisha's work is superior to her brother's, although he is senior to her at college. So both the words should be paired with to. Dash is uncle, he has 6 other male relations. In spite of, beside, besides, or despite of. So the correct answer was besides. I, John, am an honest man. So correct option was option number A. The air crew dash not come yet. Has not come yet. Crew is singular. Indian goods are dash than Chinese goods. More superior is not used together, guys. The correct option was not B, it was C. So Indian goods are superior to Chinese goods. Now, no sooner had the fight begun. Correct option was C again, not A. Than he ran away. So guys, these were the 20 questions that were thrown at the aspirants for the CSAT paper in the year 2021. So to analyze the paper, there were 10 questions based on your reading comprehension, and there were 10 questions based on your grammar and vocabulary. Right. So understanding this sequence, so that's how we should start preparing for the exams for the year 2021 and 2022. Now, the exam was conducted in 2021, but it was for 2020. So now we are preparing for the exam for 2021 and 2022. Right. So this should be the level of questions that you will face in the exam, and you should prepare for the same. Now, guys, in our course, we have provided you all these topics comprehensively and thoroughly to cover each and every concept and each and every question there. So that would be really, really helpful. And again, I would like to inform you about the courses that we have launched. There is the most affordable test series that is for HPS 2022 prelims, and then there are two courses. One is comprehensive course, which includes everything: GS, CSAT, mains and prelims test series, as well as current affairs. And then there is a designated course for CSAT only, which includes quants, reasoning and English. So you can avail 30% off on these courses, guys. Use code Himachal30 and you can start your preparation right away. And guys, please beware, the sale is only till 22nd of December. So mind that you do not miss out the the sale that we have provided you. And guys, for the PDF of this session, you can join our Telegram channel, or the link for which has been given in the description of the video. And you can also join subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you do not miss out on any of our important videos. And if you wish to contact us for anything, guys, you can call us during the office hours on this number 8146207241, or you can also drop us an email at hello@edutab.co.in. And if you wish to browse through our courses, this is our website, www.edutab.co.in. So guys, let's start this journey on a high note. Let's start preparing for next year. And this is a journey where we promise to support you throughout your endeavors, throughout your the obstacles that you will face, and we promise to deliver on our the commitment that we have provided you. So thank you so much for joining in, guys. I wish you again a lot of luck and a lot of success in your life. Keep up the good work, and happy learning to all of you, guys.